You can change your lights with modifier the lights. You can have a lot of different modifier lights, and I show you few modifier lights, what I use normal, what I have in studio, I use every day, and how the lights change. We will be photographing this small tomato. You can have a lot of different modifier the lights, like it's snoot, normal lamp what is without the modifier lights, and you have hard light. You can have the same reflector what you put on the lamp. You can have umbrella, diffuser, different softbox. And exactly with this modifier lights we will be work today. And I show you how to take the photo. This tomato what you have here, use the camera on the cable tether, because cable tether first help us to connection with computer, and straight away we see how looks as photo, is sharp or not, easy to work. And believe me, when you photography, when you do food or product photography, special product photography, you won't see straight away how looks the photo, the point focus is perfect. That's use the cable tether. Another things, we use the camera, Canon 7D Mark. This is camera what I bought 7 years ago, now will be 8 years ago, I'm sorry, 8 years ago. And I have lens 50mm 1.8, the Canon, the same, I bought 8 years ago. This was first lens what I bought. First shoot will be without any modifier lights, and I want to show you how looks the lights without modifier the lights. And the lamp what we use today is Godox 150. It's continuous light, is one from my favorite lamp. Lights in continuous light. This is my second lights, and we work on these lights. Like you see, I block all the lights because here I have big windows. Of course outside is dark, but when you work when it's bright, you must to really block different lights. You work only with this one light. We don't want to mix the lights, because outside light can have different temperature, can be your photo yellow or different color. That always work with one light and try to block any lights outside what you have, and use only these lights. Okay, I set up, start first my lights, and we will see how looks on this tomato. I check camera first, one moment. When we use only these lights, what we see on the photo what I took already, we have strong shadows, we have strong lights on this product, the same this side. I use only 60% my lights, and what I can say is like you have atmosphere like sunny day, or when you want to work with hard light, hard shadows, this is perfect. You use only this light and you have that atmosphere on this photo. Another things what we can use is this modifier the lights, is reflector. What you have with the lamp, where you buy the lamp, you have that reflector. We set up the reflector on as light. Straight away on the photo we have too bright as lights. We change parameter on as camera, make little dark, take another shoot, and how you see now we have dark product. Here we have like shadows, but the light is only around. The light is only here. Focus more on product, and here, like you see, is not the lights everywhere. That is different when you use the reflector. Now we use the snoot. I put somewhere. I have here. Snoot, how you see, completely change. Is only focus on product and little here. Of course you can little move this, more focus. We take one shoot. What we have, like you see on the photo is too dark completely. We change, we make brightness. That's it mean is less light on the photo when you use the snoot. We change the shutter speed only. I don't want to increase the ISO and change the aperture. I won't work about the same aperture, but change only shutter speed. That we have bright, we have the product. We can of course coming closer to the or far if you want, but we have shadow, strong shadow. We have the lights here and lights only here little. This is if you want to focus on the photo in one place, is perfect lights. Now I want to show you change the snoot for the softbox. How will be looks the same shoot with softbox. First softbox what I want to use is this softbox, long softbox. I can use for photography drinks, small things if I want to focus on some things to photography nice. And we set up with this softbox as lamp. We remove the snoot. One moment. Remember, this is quickly so hot, but I didn't use too long. That is perfect. And now we put the softbox. Dobra. Okay. With the softbox, like you see, I try to put the softbox the same position. We take first shoot. We'll see how looks the photo. We didn't change the aperture. The looks amazing. The shoot is soft lights, really soft lights with the softbox, because softbox have always two diffuser, and focus here really on this direction, this point. That's the lights. Now we change the softbox for different bigger softbox. We'll see how looks the lights with this different softbox. Here we take another photo with different type of the softbox. What I can say on this softbox, everything is bright. Everything is around more bright. In the softbox before was only here the part, the bright. That's this softbox is completely different. It's bigger, different shape as octagon softbox. That you have more soft, more bright everything around than only in one point like the softbox before. You can have a lot of different modificator the lights, like is softbox, that's octagon softbox, long softbox, reflector, snoot, or without modificator lights. The price is different, the same. The modificator lights what you have like snoot cost 20 something pounds. The reflector is free because coming with the lamp. When you buy artificial lights, you have including this in the lamp, the reflector, remote control, and more things. The softbox is different. The long softbox, what I show you, is like price like 60-70 pounds. This softbox is the same, 18-19 pounds. Can be little cheaper, 60 pounds you can buy. What do you see? Each modificator is different, work different, the price is different. You can use the same umbrella, you can use the same the diffuser. Diffuser is more cheap, umbrella is more cheap than basic umbrella, what work like diffuser. Cost around like 8, 10, 12 pounds. Diffuser is like reflector 5-in-1 and cost around like 20-25 pounds. And you have a lot of different reflector and you have diffuser inside. What is perfect for make more soft your lights. If we will be put here front of this lamp another diffuser, will be more soft. The shadows will be definitely more soft than is now. That's work the diffuser, any material diffuser what you use will be make more soft lights. This was few modificator lights what you can use with your lights, and each modificator lights will work completely different. Like you see, without any modificator, you have harsh light. Your product is so bright, the shadows is so strong, it looks like sunny day, perfect for that atmosphere, or when you want with bright and strong shadows to do. Another things, you use the reflector. Reflector focus on one point here on your product more, and your photo straight away looks more bright. You must to working with the shutter speed. To change the shutter speed, make more less bright, more dark. If you using the snoot, your photo is more dark straight away. It's more dark. Focus on one point, but it's really dark. It means it's less lights coming to your camera from the lights. But when you use the softbox, like I show you two different softbox, your lights first. You have big amount of the lights. If you change for bigger softbox, you have bigger amount of the lights. Another things, you have more soft lights. From both these modifier lights, the softbox is soft light and big amount of the lights. From the snoot, from the reflector, you have small amount the light and is more dark the lights. But one thing what you can use if you want to work with the softbox and make more dark photo, first you reduction the lights what you have, or you can put your honeycomb on your softbox and you will have more shadows and the lights will be less soft, bright. The photo will be moody atmosphere on your photo if you really use the honeycomb. That is another modifier lights what you can have. This was few modifier what I show you. I hope this help you to choose the best modifier for you or understand how to work with the lights and which modifier is exactly for the photo what you do. But if you want to learn more about the artificial lights, how to work with lights, check this video.